If you want to grow a guava tree like this at home, then you must follow this technique. First, you need to select a healthy, vigorous guava branch of good variety. Using a sharp knife, make a ring-shaped cut around the branch, about 1 to 2 inches long. Now take a potato and split it from the middle to take out its internal part. And set it on the branch. Potato helps keep the branch hydrated, which is crucial for root development. Then, take a 250 milliliter plastic glass. Cut one side of the plastic glass, set it on the branch, and stake it with a zip tie. Then fill the glass completely with wet cocoa peat. If you don't have cocoa peat, you can use garden soil. Cover the glass with a polythene. After 45 days, look friends, how beautiful roots have grown. Once the roots are well developed, carefully separate the branch from the mother plant. Potatoes have rotted and turned into compost. Now I will plant this tree in a pot. Then water the new plant thoroughly. After 6 months, the new plant is ready.